Hello, I'm Stephanie Barrow. Welcome to my channel, Van Doodle Art. I'm a 70-plus-year-old artist happily living and creating in Portland, Oregon, where I paint on large canvases, enjoy drawing and doing plein air painting, and I pour a lot of paint in my studio that I call the Crow's Nest. Life hasn't been without its challenges. I'm a cancer survivor. I have some medical conditions that make it imperative that I keep walking and climbing stairs and staying as active as possible. My main mission in life is to choose joy whenever possible, and I'm excited about taking you along on my adventures.